Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to keep it short and sweet, and the video is going to be short and it's going to be sweet. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a dessert at home with 2 ingredients that can be made in 2 minutes. So, all we're going to be using today is we're going to be using thickened cream and Nutella, and we're going to make an awesome chocolate mousse. And as I said, it's quick, easy, and something you can do at home, and something hopefully everyone has at home. We're going to start with 300 mils of thickened cream, and then I'm just going to whip that. Alright guys, so now I've finished whipping it. I've whipped it to stiff peaks, and all stiff peaks means is that it holds. Next up, all we need is Nutella. So 300 mils of thickened cream, 4 tablespoons of Nutella. Obviously you can add more Nutella if you like. I don't think anyone has ever had a problem with having too much Nutella. So we've got the Nutella and the cream. We're just going to mix the 2 of them together till we get a nice consistency. All the same color. Simple as that. All I'm doing today is just chucking a little bit of berry coulis in the bottom. Just going to fill these now, put them in the fridge, and we're done. Alright guys, so I just finished putting these in here. Nice jars of Nutella mousse. The only thing that I could suggest that would make it better is if you've got some Baileys at home, throw a couple of tablespoons in and it'll be perfect. Alright guys, I've pulled these out of the fridge now. These are set. You can have a look here. All I'm going to do is just dust them with a bit of icing sugar. And that's just ready to serve there. So we've got our perfect chocolate mousse, 2 minutes, 2 ingredients, super easy, super simple. Do it at home yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you've liked this video. Leave a comment, let me know what you think.